Hello and welcome to this training video brought to you by Corec Group. In this video I'll be talking to you about the WMS service background in Trimble Access. Okay, so the background map with WMS, for you that don't know what WMS is, it's a web map service. So it's a live stream of a map in behind your survey data. Before you can use the WMS, there's a couple of notes that you have to heed to. So the controller must be connected to the internet, be it by a SIM card or a hotspot or Wi-Fi. You must know the URL to use your WMS service. Okay, so if you do have a login name or a password, you will be able to get your URL that actually has that user login credentials within it. Some map services also require a parameter to the URL. So you can see, for example, here I just an example URL, example correct wms.ie WMS. So you might just require just a URL address. The job must be the same coordinate system and zone as you've selected for the WMS. So if you require the code for whatever coordinate system you require, just go into the epsg.io, the website, and they will have a code associated to the coordinate system that you're using. Okay, before we start off, there's also a lot of videos and content within our YouTube channel. It's Corec Training and Support, and feel free to browse to our website at corecgroup.com so for all the latest technology and products. Okay, so let's begin. So we're in our Trimble Access main map display. So this is the TDC 600 display in landscape mode. So it's the same process in each logger to go into your WMS to create your URLs in there. Okay, so once you're in your main map display, you can go into your layers button. So it's like the two sheets here. You click on that, and down at the very bottom of your screen here you have WMS. You can see that I have two already here. So if I go into my WMS, you'll see that I have a name one called Corec, a URL, coordinate system, and then just your base layers and your transparency. But if I drop down one here, you'll see what a standard just a URL works like, and then the coordinate system code that it generates, the EPSG from our previous website in the start of the video. So you just put in your available URL, your associated coordinate system, and once you're happy there, you accept and the map will load. So if you go accept there and you have whatever WMS you require, you just tick the box, you hit accept, and then the imagery will load once you have your project set up with the same coordinate system. So if I go back in there just to show you what it looks like when you go into WMS, if I untick that and just go into WMS and just say I'm going to start a new one, it'll ask you for the name, so I can call it Corec2. I go in there, I copy my URL, so www.corecgroup.com, and then what you do is you go in and you dial up. So if I hit enter there, it'll actually start dialing up to the internet to check that the URL is right. So this won't work because it's not a WMS service. I'll pick my coordinate system and then I hit accept. Okay, once that's done, then if I escape out of this bit, it'll bring me back. It'll create all the details in here. I just hit accept, pick which one I want, and then hit accept. And that's how you create and activate your WMS within Trimble Access. Okay, thanks.